Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. So students, today we are going to start the chapter number 1st of English grade 5. So you should have in your hands the English textbook 5 of Cambridge Scholar series along with the summer pack of class 5. In addition to that, we have uploaded the resource pack for English 5 for the guidance of parents and teachers, which includes a detailed methodology of teaching this book. Okay students, today we are going to have the second lecture of our chapter number 1st. We have previously studied the grammar portion, that is the classification of noun as a common and proper noun. Our today's lecture will be emphasizing on the use of full stop and homophones. So here we are going to begin our lecture. So as I have earlier mentioned, our today's student learning outcomes or SLOs are to understand and to reproduce knowledge of full stop and to understand and reproduce knowledge of homophones. So firstly, we are going to study the full stops because it came under the category of punctuation marks. That is why we have mentioned here. So comma and full stops are the most frequently used punctuation marks. So we put full stop at the end of a sentence, and the sign used for full stop is this, that is a dot. So number first, Arif is my good friend. Here full stop is used at the end. In the second sentence, please don't be late. This is the full stop here. In the third sentence, the bird is sitting on a branch. So full stop is here. In the fourth sentence, it's snowing heavily today. This is the full stop at the last of the sentence. There's a rainbow in the sky. So here is the full stop at the end. Another sentence is, this big house belongs to a rich man. Then full stop. I can swim, a full stop. Ahsan is good at drawing, full stop. They all enjoyed playing baseball, full stop. So full stop is already discussed in the previous classes. Here we are going to discuss it for the revision purpose. Here we are revising that. The next one is the capitalization. So capital letter is used where? At the start of a sentence and for proper nouns. So we have discussed earlier the use of proper nouns and the use of common nouns. In that lecture, we have discussed that proper nouns are capitalized when they are used in a sentence. So here the examples are, I live in a city. So I is capital because it comes at the start of a sentence. The second one is, he is always busy. Here H is at the start of the sentence. That is why the H of he is capital. Capitalize the proper nouns. So C of the capitalized is capital because the sentence started with the word capitalize. Here in the fourth sentence, A of Ali is capital. I is capital in the sentence, I live in Quetta. But here Q of Quetta is also capital because it is a proper noun. In the last sentence, we admire the game of Misbah ul Haq. Repeat with me. We admire the game of Misbah ul Haq. So here W of we is capitalized because of the start of the sentence, because we is a word from where the sentence starts, so the letter W is capital. But in Miss Haq, you are clearly watching that M of Miss Haq is capital because this is what? A proper noun. So Miss Haq is a proper noun. That is why M of Miss Haq is capital. Here you have to clearly identify the capital letters and full stops where it needed. So you should have to copy these sentences and add capital letters and full stop where it needed. Now I am going to present 5 of these examples in orderly manner. So the first sentence is, what day is today? It is Sunday. So here is a mistake. क्या है mistake? Shabash. Yes, W should be capital of what? And here, no what? No full stop. Here is not a full stop. The correct version is, what day is today? The W is capitalized here, and here is mentioned the full stop. So the correct sentence is this. The next is, last year we went to Murray to spend our holidays. It was very pleasant. So the correct one is this sentence. So the L of the last is capitalized because the word last is the starting word of the sentence. So the letter L should be capitalized, and then I should also be capitalized and full stop should be mentioned at the end of the sentence. The next one is, Amir wanted to fly planes, so he joined the PAF. That is Pakistan Air Force. Here again, A of Amir is what? Not capitalized. And the correct statement is, the Amir A should be capitalized. And again, there is full stop here, and here no full stop, as in the previous statement. The next one is, when I moved to Lahore, I had to pay more rent. Here again, you are clearly seeing that W is not capitalized, and here in the correct statement, the correct sentence, W is capitalized. Again, there is no full stop here, and here the full stop is mentioned. Yet again, the L of Lahore is small here, and the L should be capitalized because Lahore is a proper noun. The next sentence is, after speaking to Uzma, I went home. It was a long day. Here again, you are clearly seeing that after, the A of after is smaller here, which should be capitalized, and the U of Uzma should be capitalized because Uzma is a proper noun. Again, there is not full stop mentioned at the last of the sentence, and the full stop is mentioned here, and I of it should be capital because it is a new sentence here. So here, students, the homework from your summer pack. This is very easy, and you should be very much clear about how to attempt the summer pack, because this is very easy. We have done in the previous slides. So the question is, what is the correct form of the following sentence with full stop? She is in the school now. So here are the options, and you have to also answer the question that why you are selecting this option. The next one is, you have to identify the full stop. This is very easy. The sixth one is you have to find the correct sentence from the following. This is already being done. Now, coming towards the next topic, that is homophone. So, our next SLO is homophones. So, basically, what are homophones? Homophones are basically the words that sounds the same, but they are spelt differently and have different meanings. So, here, common examples of homophones are root and root. So you are clearly seeing that the sound is the same but the spelling is different. Waste, waste, find and find, bear and bear, profit and profit. Here both the words are different, their spellings are different, but their sounds are the same. More examples are in the form of sentences. The earth revolves around the sun. Asim loves his son. Here the sun is what? A planet. And here sun is what? A boy. In the second sentence, Sarim rode on a horse on the side of road. Now here road is what? The second form of ride. And road is what? Road. So this is what going to happen in homophones because both the words are different in spellings and also in meaning, but they have the same sound. So the words sun, sun, road, road are spelt differently but sound alike. That is why they are called as homophones. Now choose the correct homophone from the brackets and complete the sentences. This is very easy. The postman delivered the what? Mail, mail. So this one is right because mail, M-A-L-E is wrong. The hounds chased the hare. So here this here is right and this one is incorrect. The traveler stayed at an inn. Here this inn is mentioning a hotel or a restaurant. So this is the right answer. Here is a very simpler homework from your summer task. So you have to select a meaningful rightly answer from the same words. Thank you so much for the today's class. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.